What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm on this little waterfall here and the water splashed on me. It feels pretty good. Just falling down, just enjoying it. If my husband know I was up in here, he'd be mad. He'd be like, you know you clumsy. The water feels real. So today is Sunday, so I would like for you all, encourage you all to get out and enjoy the beautiful outdoors and just to see the great ambiance that we are blessed with. I just love outdoors. I love water. I would get all up under that water, but yeah, get out and try to enjoy yourself. This water feels so good falling on me. Like, y'all just do not know how good it feels. It makes you feel good on the inside, especially when it hits you. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the rain water was just as good like this, it'll be wonderful. Just to enjoy. Just peace and light, people. Peace and light. We need peace. We need peace. Water brings serenity. It brings peace for you and me. Look, regardless of what the situation is, the things that we go through or whatever, we have to enjoy everything that is given to us. And even the things that we work for, because we work for them, you know? It just feels so good out here. I love it. I love it. Peace and light, people. Peace and light. I just love water. Peace and light. It feels so good. Take deep breaths. Enjoy it. Absorb it. Connect with the universe. I love connecting with the universe. Because guess what? The universe does not cause harm to us. We cause harm to the universe. Regardless if you want to believe it or not. But we do. But anyway, we're not going to speak of the negative. We're going to speak of this positive and just enjoy it. The birds, everything. Just enjoy peace and light, people. Peace and light. Yes. I'm going to go walk this trail and go back up. And by the time I get through walking, I'll be dry again. See how good our Creator is to us? He'll wash us away with all of our transgressions and things that we go through. And then we get all soaking wet, lathered up. And the sunlight will dry us. Makes us feel good. Makes us feel not so clammy and stuck together and stuff like that. Just peace and light, people. I love it. Look at it. Just nice. That's what you do. Get out and enjoy. Smooches.